Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uruj Mustafa and I am your instructor for the clay art and recycled material products. So today we will be making a pencil holder with a recycling can. This is your favorite chocolate wafer cookie. I'm sure you must have all been eating this. And I have saved this tin can, which I am going to make a pencil holder. So, alright. One more thing, I have some, right now I'm using these colored paper sheets, but I have these newspapers as well. I'm going to teach you how we can recycle the newspaper or we can use these paper sheets. Alright, so first as you can see, I am rolling this paper like this. Can you all see? Like this. And we have made this tube. I am going to paste the edges of this tube with the tape so that it doesn't open up. We can tighten the paper as it has loosened up. Wait. Whenever you eat these things, chocolates, cans, drinks, keep saving their cans and their boxes. Whenever you get gifts from your birthday, do not tear the gift sheet. Open it nicely so that you can recycle or reuse it later on. See, I've made these rolls out of different color sheets. I'm going to make one more. This is how we fold it. Very softly. And once the first fold is done, then the rest of the sheet will fold very nicely itself. See, this is how it's being folded very nicely. And again, I'm going to stick it with the tape. Like this. And like this. Now I have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rolls of sheets, and I will also use 1 or 2 newspaper, so that if you do not have any colored sheets, you can use the newspapers, and then you can either paint them or just leave as it is. Wrapping sheets, glazed paper, any paper. Newspaper is obviously the most convenient and recycling again. So I prefer using newspaper and then painting over it. See? Now this is how I've done it. Now, where is this? So once we have all these tubes ready, we will start sticking onto them like the way I have already done. Take some glue. This glue or hot glue will be best over here, because it's going to be sticking it nicely. And now you can see how I'm sticking it with this. Make sure you move it a bit so that it sticks nicely. Can you all see? It's really simple, really fast, and it looks very colorful. You can either use it as your stationery holder on your own tables, or you can gift it to your moms so that she can put her makeup brushes in it, or you can use it for putting spoons and other cutlery. It's a multi-purpose because it's thin, it's not going to see. You can use smaller bases as well. Even the tissue paper rolls, you can use that. You can stick your papers, your colored sheets on that. Recycling options are unlimited. It's just how do you want to throw things away or you want to use the things away. See, isn't it looking nice and colorful? Okay. Now I am going to add one newspaper in between. I know it's not colorful, but I am just doing it so that you know that it is possible, and then you can paint the newspaper. You can make patterns on it, whatever you want to do. See, even this has some color. Accidentally, I thought I'll get some text on it, but I've got some picture on it, so it's okay. You can do these small activities at home these days, as we are all locked up in quarantine, so we cannot be watching TV all day. Our mind, our eyes, they need rest. So the best thing is to do little artwork, little creativity, so that you can enjoy yourself, you can create new things, you can gift these new things, small things to someone. See how is it looking? Isn't this simple? The best part in recycling material is that you do not spend too much money. You just open the door of your storeroom and you take out things which are left there for months and months and try to use them. You can do these activities with your parents, with your grandparents. They will enjoy, and you can decorate these things in your lounge, in your rooms, and everybody's going to appreciate. So I'm going to make the whole round. Alright, it's quite colorful, and we are left with little space. For that, I think I'm going to roll some more newspaper, so that, see, you have newspaper at home. You don't have to buy anything from the market. If you're falling short of anything, look around yourself. You will find something or the other to complete the project. See, easy. Quickly, we will use some tape, and we will I need at least how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we make 4. We have made 1, and we'll quickly make 4. Are you enjoying yourself, everyone? Isn't this easy? Alright, so we are done with 4 more of these. Now we will again put the same glue on it. Glue on it and put this here. See? How does it look? One more. Few more to go. can use newspaper in so many ways, because we all get newspapers at our homes which are just read once and lying there. So make use of them, do not just throw them. Make paper bags out of them, we will be doing that. Make wrapping sheets out of them. Make so many things you can use them, and I will be helping you, teaching you. And again we are short of, so this is how we can quickly make another roll. See how this simple, this is just rolling and making. So next time, do not tell your mom to throw away the tissue paper rolls, because you can easily reuse all of them and make a full stationery kit out of that. See, rolling and done. One here, one there, and I think we'll be done with these. Just needed 2 more and we are done with them. It's very important to use the right glue on the right material. So for this one we are using either the Yoo-Hoo or the Spicer, so that we can, because it holds really fast. Now we are done. See, so now this is our final product. This is the pencil holder we have made with few colors, and then we had to use the newspapers. We were short of the colored papers. Now we can paint these, and this is, and we can put our scale in here, we can put our scissor in here. Scissor has gone down, but that's fine. So this is how, this is the, like it. Thank you so much.